running like shit though before. It's running okay now.
I'm impressed. Really?
For old 60s technology.
I'm getting some goosebumps. Oh my goodness.
Nova will beat me.
That's a nice Chevelle. That's who we just raced. Yeah, the green one.
Yep.
Well, maybe I'm bringing you good luck.
Good, I hope so. I needed it.
Yep. Well, let's pretend that's the answer. Oh my God. I'm going to be thinking about this for the next week. How can I build a car?
I say you ain't need to get one that's got a title. Just
Yeah. Well, I told you I got a drivetrain.
this thing might be a little quicker than we've been racing. There's a Nova gonna win again.
You got him by a lot. By a lot.
It is an adrenaline rush.
Yep.
That's what I do it for. That and you don't have to worry about the damn cops.
Great.
It always comes down to me. I'm using that green boat and then that GTO. But there's some different cars here this time, so I don't know.
What's the gears in this? 411 now?
411, I just switched them this. It had 390, so it really wasn't that big of a, jump, I guess.
Yeah, but you get that jump off the line and you hold it.
So there's 4 of us left. Oh, well, there's 3 of us left. Yeah, we're gonna race that guy we just talked to. I'll get beat.
What's he got?
He's got a 455
Oh.
built, and I just got a 390.
Well, we'll see. Get him off the line and... Nice, you got him, you got him.
Ah, got me at the very end.
We got you at the very end. You had him 3/4 of the way.
Yeah. God damn it.
About a little over halfway, he started falling.
Yeah.
Because his front of his bumper was at the back of your door.
I thought I had him.
Yeah, I did too. He really came on at that,
Very end there.
yep, the very end.
Thank you, sir. So I think we're going to end up 4th because the others are pretty much quicker than us, as far as I can tell. And I went into neutral too, and that didn't help. I went too many gears. Black smoke again.
Well, you get these carbs tuned right or something. This thing would be hard to beat.
Yeah.
Because, shit, he didn't get you until, like, literally the last 20 feet.
Yeah. Well, so I think if I put aluminum heads on here, I'd probably kick some ass.
I got the video up. Yeah, with it, as he slowly was pulling.
We ended up fourth. That's not bad.
Yep.
Both those guys. It was the last one.
That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it.
Good. I could even do 430 gears. That might help too. It always comes to us, down to us last three there. Always. And if there's a, new guy that might have something. She's good out in the hole, that's for sure. Awesome.
Sweet. Oops.
Well, down next year you can get yourself a car built and we can do this together.
Yeah, it would be a blast.
I just need a little more. Just a little more.
Last call Gatorade, domestic street performance to staging lane, last call.